Welcome RidgeLife, I'm Tim, and today on RidgeLife, we're gonna put Old Blue to work. You've seen the dozer video, it finally came out, old Cass clearing the land for the barn over there. Well, now it's time for Old Blue to clear some trees on her own. We got a little small grove of trees right here next to Grandma Carol's log cabin. She wants these gone. Old Blue's gonna do it. Just beyond the chickens here and the rabbits, we can see we've got this little grove of trees. And most of these are sweet gum. Some of them are other, but most are sweet gum. And you can see a cluster right there that aren't sweet gum, but most of these are sweet gum. And Grandma Carol, first we thought we'd keep these here for privacy. Once they grow up, they'd act as a privacy barrier, but they are skinny, they are not filling out, and Grandma Carol wants them gone. For those that are new to the Ridge, guys, this is my New Holland WorkMaster 55 tractor. 55 horsepower, twin turbo. We've got a Titan attachment, heavy duty stump bucket grapple on the front. We've got a Dragon 72-inch box blade on the back. Old Blue should be more than up for this task. Another major reason we want to get these trees out of this area is our field lines, our septic field lines. You can probably see the grass, different colors of grass that run right there. They run right in between these trees, and as these trees' roots grow, they could disturb those field lines, break those PVC pipes and stuff. So originally we had thought the field lines were going to be out in this open field area here, but because of the septic requirements, they had to be extended further out into this little grove of trees. Again, trees gotta go. Gonna start off with this cluster of trees right here. Hopefully the root base isn't like a sweet gum. I know those are gonna be a pain. Gonna use the stump bucket grapple. Gonna go on the right side, dig up the roots a little bit. Left side, dig up the roots a little bit. Come from the bottom and then push from the top. Hopefully it topples over. Then I can back up and get below the root ball and push it out. Use the grabber, tow it out of the way. That's the plan. Will it work? I don't know. It's a little extended out on the end. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, baby. Woo, yeah. This bush or cluster tree will not make any good firewood. So I've got this burn pile over here from when we cleared out where the log home was years ago. It's been sitting here drying, ready to burn. We'll go ahead and put this cluster tree, this bush, on top of it. The rest of them, I'm gonna stack those off to the side because they make great fire pit wood, okay? Most of them are straight, and again, We're gonna knock them all down and hopefully keep maybe 1 or 2 of them. We'll see. Grandma Carol wants them all gone. I was thinking about saving 1 or 2. Don't want to make sure we keep them out of her power lines. She is on grid, so you have to worry about those kind of things. Not gonna have to worry about that in the barndominium. Off grid, people. But so let's go ahead and get this one dumped and start working on the next. This next one will be a test. It is a sweet gum. It is a 3-bunch cluster, and these roots are like spider webs, okay? The single ones that are bigger probably come out easier than these clusters. I can see the roots going everywhere around here, and they're real dense, so whoo, this is gonna be a test. Saw how far away those roots go all the way out, and that's why they can get in that septic system. I'm gonna see if I can get as many as I can out wide with a stump bucket grapple here. Boom. Oh, it's just like a spider web of roots, just crazy. Get as much as I can, not tear up our septic system. I gotta make sure I keep track of where those lines are. Come on here. I got it in 4-wheel drive. Got it in low. Oh yeah, I tore that root right up. Again, let's see. I'm gonna try to do just a little bit, you know, initially, and then maybe I can push it over. Oh, Boo does have water in her tires, and I got the box plate on now in the back, give me a little bit of weight. Oh, come on, there we go. All right. We tore up some, I got one more root right here, I see. Okay, right in the front. See if I can get this one right here. There we go. Come on, down. Ooh. Woo. All right. All right. So yeah, you can see we tore up those roots. I'm gonna do one more on that right side there. Right there. Come on. Oh, I hit a root. That root was tight. There we go. Come on. All right. All right. We'll see. We'll see if we can push. Not sure. Go ahead and close this down. A little more push on it. Here we go. Got it in low gear. Do a little high. Oh, no, it's gonna push that one over. That's the thing about these clusters. You don't have one solid tree to push. They'll end up breaking off on you. There we go. All right, let's see if I can. Right there. Not even, look at that, just bending the trees, not even moving the root base at all. These things are crazy. All right, let's see if I can do it from right here. Oh, just broke a tree. All right, we're gonna have to dig some more. Definitely have to dig some more here. Try to get a little more of a straight scooping action. They go out forever. I have to go all the way around and do it. Oh yeah, come on, do it, baby. Get it up, dug up. Up, let's see if I can do the other side. Woo! These things are like glued into the ground. You can see how extensive these roots go out. They're not just little, you know, that's a huge root. And the tree, that main root ball is still deep down in there, and there are tons more of these roots going on. But we got the trees out of the way, so right now, that's all I'm worried about. I can come back and get this stump up later. Let's go ahead and get the rest of these trees. I could have worked all day on that sweet gum stump and it still would be in there. We're gonna move on to this tree right here. I'm not really sure exactly what kind of tree this is, but I have a feeling it's gonna go down a lot easier. Now we are right next to the chicken coop here. Elvis, I promise it's gonna go that way and not that way. Are you okay? Yeah, take care of your ladies. Gonna go that way. Elvis, where'd you go? You left one of your ladies out. I think Elvis was scared. He really didn't trust me. He thought, oh no, Tim's gonna push it over on me. Elvis, what kind of man are you if you leave your lady out? She's braver than you are. Oh, Sylvia's braver than Elvis. All right, so this root ball here, you can see, wide, but not very deep. The spider webs, nothing like a sweet gum. This big old tree, I didn't have to take much out at all. Pushed her right over. Good job, old blue. Now I wish it would have gone a little more that way. It wanted to go this way. I'm gonna have to come in and work it because half the roots are still in the ground over there and the coop is in the way for me to push it this way. I got a tree right there blocking it. So I gotta dig out a little bit around it, maybe rock it out of the way, grab it, and then take it back over to dump it. It's gonna be tough. drag it out. It's stuck in these trees here. Kind of hard for me to see if I can drag it out. Ground is still a little, oh yeah, look at that. Perfect! Oh, the ground's still a little wet on me, guys. There we go. Now we got another big one right here next to the rabbit hutch and the chicken coop. We're gonna drop it this way towards me. And guys, I don't think that's a sweet gum. Oh, it might be. Yeah, it may be a sweet gum. We may be in trouble. Luckily that one had enough height, got the bucket up there, pushed it on over. Again, those sweet gum root bases are so weird. They have them little spider tentacle thingies and they go so deep down in there. Well, we got 4 done, 15 to go, but I decided to keep 2, okay? There's a straight one in the center there and a straight one at the end. We're gonna keep those 2 trees. All the other 13 gotta go. So let's put you on a time lapse and get these out of here. Done, guys. This is a pile of trees. Again, we had 17 clusters. Got them all piled up here. I got them piled up, almost all of them with the root balls this way. That way I can cut these for firewood and then dispose of the root balls in a big burn pile. This worked out great. Whoo, guys, one of those trees I was pushing down and I forgot about the power lines. The first one went that direction but was short enough not to hit it. The second one I pushed and went, oh, I might want to push it the other way. It was a good thing too, because it was way tall enough, way close enough to hit them power lines. Guys, think before you dig, or call before you dig, or just think. So I turned around, pushed it the other way, and then the third one that was along that power line got it going down the right direction. There was 17 tree clusters total. And some of them sweet gums were bare. There's still a few little stumps out there that I'm gonna have to dig up before I finish box blading. But you can see, let's see, there's one right there, and one out there by the pile we just saw. Last thing to do here is get the box blade out and get all these holes filled in. I'm sure the camera doesn't show it, but there's root holes there, stump holes like 2 feet deep. We'll get the box blade, smooth it all out. It's a little bit muddy right now, but I think we can get at least big old clods and stuff in the holes, make it a little bit better. When it dries out, smooth it out even better. Guys, it is so windy today. It's been threatening rain on me, but we got it done. The ground is still real wet, muddy, soppy, so the trees, the traction, I was losing traction on the tractor, but four-wheel drive, oh yeah, it works, baby. But I did get most of the stump holes full, got big mud clods in them. There's still some stump pieces. You can see stump pieces laying around all there. I'll come back with the Kubota and pick all those up. When it dries, I'll come back with the box blade again and smooth it out like butter, okay? Smooth it out like butter. Big old giant pile of trees back there to let those season just a little bit, and then I'll cut them up for firewood, burn the rest of it. Got a clean old Blue. She did her job today, guys. Stump bucket grapple with the Dragon box blade, 55 horsepower New Holland. Good job, girl. Got to get her all cleaned up. What do you think about leaving the 3 trees right there? Grandma Carol says gone. She wants them gone. She wants this to be a big open field right here. I kind of thought 1, 2, 3. I cleaned up the bottom of them so the foliage be all the top. You'll be able to drive under them with a tractor, you know, bush hogging and everything. Because this is gonna be a big enough area it can bush hog. She can make the yard can be 30 or 40 yards from the cabin, and all out here I can bush hog when I bush hog the other fields. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. She won't have to mow out here around these trees at all. I'll bush hog around them. Big giant pile of trees again. We got that big old mess right there. That was from when we cleared off where the log home is, okay? That has to be burned eventually one of these days too. So I'm excited. Hopefully you're excited. If you like today's video, make sure you subscribe to RidgeLife. It's free. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out. Guys, as soon as this wind stops, we'll be able to burn that brush over there on the barn field, get that barn going, and then Trip can get out here as soon as this dries up and get the land cleared for the barn dominium. Get our septic permit going. Woo, things are happening quick here on the Ridge. So guys, until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.
Thank you.